Hello, what's up guys? Welcome. You land on exactly the right tutorial in order to install Ubuntu. This is me, Asif Shehzad, and today I'm gonna teach you how you can install Ubuntu in VirtualBox on Windows 10 or 11. It works on both versions of Windows without wasting any more time. Let's view the process. First, we need three files. These three files, the OS image of Ubuntu, and second is the VirtualBox setup. In order to run VirtualBox on your computer, you need to install redistribution package version 2019. Don't worry about these files, where you find these files. I'm giving you a quick link to all these files. You just need to click and it starts downloading from the official websites. Here is how you can download files. Click the link in the video description and then you divert to this blog post of mine, and here you will find all downloading links. After completing the downloading process, you have these three files that I have discussed in the video. So I just simply double tap on the setup of free distribution package and it asks me for agreement. I just click on agree and install. And after the installation is complete, I just simply click on close. Now double click on VirtualBox setup and this kind of pop-up appear on your screen. Just simply click next and after that again click next, and here you see some kind of warning. Just don't worry about that and again click on next, and after that it asks you to install. So just click on install and it start installing VirtualBox. So as the installation is completed, you will see that kind of interface. Here we need to make sure that this checkbox is checked, and after that simply click on finish, and as you click on finish, the VirtualBox is start running. So here the actual process of installing Ubuntu in VirtualBox is starting. So first you need to click on new, and after that it asks you about the name of your virtual machine. It's not necessary, you can give the name whatever you want. So here in ISO image field, you need to select your Ubuntu ISO file where it is located on your computer. So here on my computer, it's located in Ubuntu installation guide under the download folder. So you can select it where it is in your computer, and after that click on or check the box which is skip unattended installation. After that click on next and it asks me for RAM and CPU allocation. So for RAM, you can select minimum 4 GB, or for CPU, you can select minimum 1 CPU core. But remember that the more the RAM and CPU, the better Ubuntu will run. One more thing that you need to keep in mind, you can select the amount of memory and CPU whatever you want, but you need to be in green range. For myself, I am going to select 8 GB RAM and 2 CPU cores. Don't worry, you can change it later. And as usual, click on next and it asks you for SSD or hard disk allocation. 25 GB is must. You can increase it for better performance. Now leave the remaining option as it is. You don't need to change anything. Just simply click on next and after that click on finish. One more setting is left. For that click on settings and then advanced, and in advanced make the shared clipboard option bidirectional and drag and drop also bidirectional. It helps you to copy and paste from host to guest, mean window to Ubuntu or Ubuntu to your Windows computer. And finally, we have completed all the necessary settings. Now in order to start installation of Ubuntu, click that start green arrow button. One more thing that I want to tell you is I just speed up the video to save your time. In your case, it may take some time. So after that, just click on install Ubuntu. There is many options, but you need to select first options and press enter. And as you press enter, you'll see that kind of interface. Here you need to wait for some time. It based on your computer specification. If you have a good computer, you need to wait for less time, and if you have low-end PC, maybe you need to wait for more time. And after that, you'll see that kind of interface. Here you need to select install Ubuntu. Please make sure that you select install Ubuntu button. And after that, you'll transfer to that interface. Here you need to select keyboard layout. I just leave it default and click on continue. And as you click continue, here you transfer at that interface. Here you need to select minimal installation and leave the remaining option as it is and click on continue. One more thing that you need to keep in mind, you have internet connected with your Windows computer or with your host on which you are installing Ubuntu. So after that, you'll transfer to that kind of interface. Here you don't need to change anything, just simply click on install now button. And as you click on install now button, you'll see that kind of interface or pop-up. Here you need to click on continue, and as you click on continue, it asks you about your location where you are. So you can either select by clicking on map and by searching in search field. And after selecting your location, simply click on continue. And after that, it asks you about your name or your display name. I just enter my name and it's automatically build a username or host name for me. You don't need to worry about your username. If you want to choose your own username, you can enter here. After that, I enter my password. For password, I just enter one. You need to enter a strong password. It's recommended for you if it's a production system. And after choosing your username, click on continue. And it start copying file and installing Ubuntu. And here you need to wait for some time, almost 1 or half hours. It's totally based on your computer performance. And after the installation is completed, it asks you for restarting the system. So you just need to click on restart now and it starts rebooting the system. After a while, it asks you for removing any installation medium. So we don't have any installation medium. I just press enter. And as I press enter, it again restarting or rebooting. You'll see that kind of interface. After waiting a while, you will transfer to that kind of interface. Boom! The installation is totally completed. Here you need to enter your password and you're good to go. You can use your Ubuntu virtual machine.